Now let us discuss about realizing or implementing full subtractor using NAND gates. We know the expressions for the full subtractor. So the difference formula is difference is equal to A exclusive or B exclusive or C, whereas borrow is equal to A bar B plus C into A exclusive or B bar. So these two are the formulas. So now we have to implement full subtractor with the help of only NAND gates. Okay. So first let us see the expression for the A exclusive or B. In order to implement A exclusive or B, we require 4 NAND gates. We know that logic. Already we have seen that in half adder, full adder, as well as half subtractor also. So we require a structure like this in order to implement A exclusive or B. So this is the first NAND gate. We require 4 NAND gates. This is the second NAND gate. Next third NAND gate. Next fourth NAND gate. Okay. First NAND gate receives input from A and B. Second NAND gate receive input from A as well as output of the first NAND gate. Next third NAND gate receives input from B as well as output of the first NAND gate. Next fourth NAND gate receives input from output of the second NAND gate as well as output of the third NAND gate. So this NAND gate will produces A exclusive or B as the result. So now let's check whether it is correct or not. Here AB are the inputs. So the first NAND gate produces AB bar as the output, whereas for the second NAND gate the inputs are A and AB bar. We know the formula for NAND gate AB bar. So here B means AB bar, whole bar, AB bar. Okay. Let us simplify this equation. So this is in the form of AB whole bar. We know the formula for AB whole bar. So A bar plus B bar. Okay. So here what is B bar here? AB bar. So AB bar is nothing but AB only. So this is nothing but distributive law. A plus, we have a formula called A plus BC. The formula for A plus BC is A plus B into A plus C. So here A means A dash, whereas AB are nothing but BC. So here the formula is A plus B, A dash plus A into A dash plus B. Okay. We know the formula for A dash plus A, that is nothing but 1. So 1 into A dash plus B is nothing but what? A dash plus B. So after simplification, the second NAND gate produces A dash plus B as the output. Whereas let's see here. So this is nothing but reverse. This NAND gate receives input from B as well as AB bar. Okay. So it receives input from B and AB bar. So here the output of this NAND gate is, here A bar plus B is the output, whereas here A plus B bar is the output. Okay. Now let us observe this fourth NAND gate output. So this NAND gate receives input from A bar plus B. We know the formula for NAND gate AB bar. This is A. And what is the second input? A plus B bar. So A plus B bar. So this is B. So whole bar. So this is in the form of AB bar. We know the formula for AB bar. A bar plus B bar. Okay. So here A means A bar plus B. So A bar plus what is B here? B means A plus B bar whole bar. So this is in the form of A plus B whole bar. So the formula is A bar into B bar. Okay. A bar into B. This is in the form of A plus B whole bar. So what is the formula? A bar into B bar plus this is in the form of A plus B whole bar. So the formula is A bar into B bar. Here what is B? B bar. So this is nothing but A into B bar. Next plus A bar into B bar is nothing but B. So this is nothing but exclusive OR formula. A exclusive OR B is nothing but AB bar plus A bar B. Okay. So here the fourth NAND gate produces A exclusive or B as the output. Okay. So now what is the formula for the difference A exclusive or B exclusive or C? So we have to follow the same structure now, but for the first NAND gate the inputs are A exclusive or B, whereas the next input is C. Next input is C. Then it produces A exclusive or B exclusive or C as the output. Okay. So now let us have the same structure like the previous one. So this is the first NAND gate. So first NAND, this is in this structure, this is the first NAND gate. So here it receives input from A and B. So here A means A exclusive or B, whereas what is the next input symbol? The next input symbol is C. The next input symbol is C. Okay. So if it receives input from A and B, then it is producing A exclusive or B as the result. Whereas if this NAND gate receives input from A exclusive or B and C, then it produces A exclusive or B exclusive or C as the output. Next, this is nothing but in this structure, second NAND gate. In this structure, second NAND gate. Okay. So if you observe here, this NAND gate receives input from A and output of the first NAND gate. Here A means A exclusive or B. Okay. And output of the first NAND gate. So in this structure, this is the first NAND gate. Next, if we observe the third NAND gate, it receives input from B and output of the first NAND gate. Here B means C. B means this C. Whereas output of the first NAND gate. Output of the first NAND gate. In this structure, this is the first NAND gate. Next, fourth NAND gate receives input from this second NAND gate, this NAND gate. So now it produces A exclusive or B exclusive or C as the output. A exclusive or B exclusive or C as the output. So difference is over. Now we have to focus on the borrow. So for borrow here, we require another NAND gate. This NAND gate receives input from this third NAND gate. Third NAND gate. So this NAND gate, one input from this NAND gate and another input from this NAND gate. In this structure, what is the third NAND gate? This NAND gate. Okay. This NAND gate. So let us draw a little bit lower. Yeah. Now it produces borrow as the output. What is the formula for the borrow? A bar B plus C into A exclusive or B whole bar. Okay. So now let's check whether our logic is correct or not. So for that purpose, what I am doing is I am erasing this portion. I am erasing little bit this portion. Yeah, little bit this portion. Yeah. So if you see here, let us simplify this one. Let us simplify this NAND gate. Yeah. What is the output of this NAND gate? It receives input from A exclusive or B as well as C. So we know the formula for the NAND gate, AB bar. Here A means A exclusive or B, whereas B means C. So AB whole bar. So this is the output. Now let us focus on this NAND gate output. So it receives input from A exclusive or B, C bar, as well as this NAND gate. What is this NAND gate? A plus B bar. Okay. So first let us simplify this NAND gate. So what is A here? A means A exclusive or B into C bar. This is A. What is B here? What is B for this NAND gate? For this NAND gate, B is this C. Okay. So this is nothing but B. So AB whole bar. So let us simplify this equation. So here, this is in the form of AB whole bar. AB whole bar. This is A, this is B. We know the formula for AB whole bar. A bar plus B bar. Okay. A bar plus B bar. Here what is A? A means A exclusive or B, C bar. Okay. This is A. So we have to write bar here. A bar. This is that bar. Plus B bar. Here what is B? C. So C bar. Okay. C bar. Okay. Next, this is nothing but A bar bar. A bar bar can be written as A. A. So what is A here? A exclusive or B into C plus C bar. Here already we have seen the distributive law. A bar plus AB is equal to A bar plus B. Already we have seen this one. So we can write this as A bar plus A into A bar plus B. A bar plus A is nothing but 1. So 1 into A bar plus B is nothing but A bar plus B. So here what is A? A means this one. A means C. A means C. Whereas what is B? B means A exclusive or B. So we can write it as A bar plus B. Here what is A? C. So C bar plus what is B here? B means A exclusive or B. B means A exclusive or B. So if we simplify this NAND gate, this third NAND gate, so this third NAND gate, this one, if we simplify this NAND gate, then it is producing output as C bar plus C bar plus A exclusive or B. C bar plus A exclusive or B. Okay. Now let us focus on the this NAND gate, last NAND gate. Okay. This is nothing but borrow NAND gate. Okay. So it receives input from this NAND gate as well as this NAND gate. Here what is the output of this NAND gate? A plus B bar. A plus B bar. Okay. Whereas what is the output of this NAND gate? C bar plus A exclusive or B. So we know the output of the NAND gate, AB whole bar. So what is A here? A means A plus B bar. A means A plus B bar into what is B here? B means C bar plus A exclusive or B whole bar. What is B here? Let us see here. What is B? C bar plus A exclusive or B. So this is A, this is B. Bar, AB whole bar. Okay. So this is nothing but De Morgan law. I'm sorry. This is nothing but De Morgan law. We know about De Morgan law. AB bar is nothing but A bar plus B bar. And if we have an equation like A plus B whole bar, then we can write it as A bar into B bar. Okay. So this is A, this is B. A bar. So A bar means A plus B bar whole bar. So this is one expression. A bar plus B bar. So here what is B? C bar plus, here there is no need of this one. Let us remove this one. So C bar plus A exclusive or B whole bar. Okay. AB whole bar means A bar plus B bar. B bar. Okay. This is in the form of A plus B whole bar. Formula is A bar into B bar. Here what is B? B bar. B bar is nothing but B. Plus this is also in the form of A plus B whole bar. So the formula is A bar. Here what is A? C bar. C bar means C. A bar into what is B bar? What is B here? A exclusive or B. A plus B whole bar means A bar into B bar. So A exclusive or B bar. So if we observe the borrow, what is the expression for the borrow? A bar B plus C into A exclusive or B bar. So this is borrow NAND gate. This NAND gate receives input from third NAND gate in this structure as well as third NAND gate in this structure. So in this way we can realize full adder with the help of full subtractor with the help of only NAND gates. In the next video we will focus on how we can implement full subtractor by using only NOR gates.